Good morning, 12th students. Our next topic for the lesson number 3, electrochemistry, part 5 is next topic. After the example 3.2 I taught you electrochemical cell and Gibbs energy of the reaction. Okay, what is the Gibbs energy? So electrical work done in 1 second is equal to electrical potential multiplied by total charge passed. Okay, if we want to get maximum work from a galvanic cell, then charge has to be passed reversibly. The reversibly work done by galvanic cell is equal to decrease in its Gibbs energy. So if the EMF of cell is E, NF is the amount of charge passed and delta Fg is Gibbs energy of the reaction, then the relation between the Gibbs energy and potential electrical work done is delta Fg Gibbs energy is equal to minus N F E cell. This equation is 3.15. Now here E cell is defined as intensive parameter, delta Fg is the extensive thermodynamic and value depends on N. Okay, already I taught you in 11th what is thermodynamics. So this is the intensive parameter and this is extensive parameter. So the relation between the Gibbs free energy is equal to minus F E cell. So I am deriving the equation. See, for this I taught you this. Now it may be remembered that E cell is an for this equation I am taking Daniell cell, zinc, copper, zinc plus 2, and this delta Fg is equal to, here the conversion is plus 2 electrons, minus 2 number are 2. So instead of N we are writing 2, EF, F Faraday's constant and E cell. But when we write the equation we are balancing. We write the equation 2, 2 and like that 2, 2, 2. Then it will be delta Fg is equal to minus 4 EF cell. Now if the concentration of all the reacting species is unity, then at that time E cell is equal to E0, this one minus L, and we have the value. Instead of E cell we can write this. So from the table we can measure the value of this potential. Thus from the measurement of this E0 we can obtain an important thermodynamic quantity delta Fg, standard Gibbs energy of the reaction. From the latter we can calculate equilibrium constant by the equation. So here from this reaction is 3.15, this equation is 3.1, from 3.1 equation we derived this one, and from there we can find again like Nernst's equation Gibbs constant also, delta Fg minus RT natural log into K. Okay, from this we are deriving equal. So these two equations you have to remember, very easy. Gibbs free energy is equal to minus 2 Fe cell. So instead of E cell we can write E minus this cell, and from there we can the table is given, otherwise in the numerical you are given, otherwise in the table you can see from this table. Okay, you can find the value of how many volts are there, otherwise in the numerical it will be given at the volt. Now we are finding this equation. So first you learn this, then for this equation, okay, you have to put only the value of N from the reaction, and again instead of E cell you write this E minus L and you put the value, and a Faraday's constant, and otherwise in the equilibrium constant. We are finding our next example 3.3. The standard electric potential for Daniell cell is 1.1 voltmeter. So this value is given. Okay, this value is given. Calculate the standard Gibbs free energy for the reaction. The same reaction is given, delta GF NFE, and in the above reaction is 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 electrons are going to exchange. So N, instead of N we will write 2. E0 cell is 1.1 and Faraday's constant's value we will keep. By multiplying all this value you can easily get the Gibbs free energy. you put only the value of n, Faraday's constant, and E cell, which is given in 1.1. And number of electrons you can find the zinc plus 2, copper plus 2, so losing of 2 electrons, so number of electrons are 2. Okay, so in text questions on page this, you calculate 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6. So do the homework with me and solve these index questions after Gibbs free email.